there will never be a regime change here. There will always be the people of Zimbabwe in control. The Western countries, in particular the United States and the European Union, who imposed illegal sanctions against Zimbabwe, have, to our surprise and that of SADC and the rest of Africa, refused to remove those sanctions. The land reform program that my government embarked upon since the year 2000, was precisely meant to achieve this. If, in the first place, not to displace colonizers and ensure that our people, Zimbabweans, assume the ownership of that land.
Mama.
As the party still wants me to serve, and if I still have the energy and still have the life and the blessings of God, I'll continue. I can't vote, like I said, I can't vote for the party or those in power who are just now, who are the people that have brought me into this state.